Hey, good morning everybody. Diane Davies here. It's time for Grandma Diane's story time. I hope I have a head today. It's hard to tell. I miss my camera people, but anyway, I'm here. A couple minutes late, I think. I was having trouble finding the spot on my camera. Anyway, it's Friday. Boy, those weeks go fast, don't they? I can't believe it's Friday already. And today we're going to be reading Duck in the Truck by Jez Alborough. Duck in the Truck. And Jez is both the author and the illustrator of this particular book. So let's get started. You know the routine. I have to kind of move stuff a bit here. There we go. I'll get a little closer. Bring the book into view, and I think we're ready to go. Duck in the Truck. Maybe I'll move back a little bit more. There. All right, let's give this a try. Duck in the Truck by Jez Alborough. And here we have the duck in the truck. This is Duck driving home in a truck. This is the track which is taking him back. This is the rock struck by the truck. And this is the muck where the truck becomes stuck. Oh my goodness. Look at all his stuff flying out of the back of his truck here. Must have groceries in there. Looks like watermelon flying around. Well, he is stuck in the muck. These are the feet that jump the duck down into the muck, all yucky and brown. This is the frog who watched from the bush. See him up here, the frog? And croaks, "I'll help you. Give it a push." Something doesn't seem quite right, does it? This is the push of a frog and a duck. And this is the truck, still stuck. Lots of muck there. I don't know how they're going to get out of that. This is a sheep driving home in a Jeep. "Get out of the way," he yells with a beep. And the duck says, "Quack!" This is the quack of an angry duck. "I can't," he snaps. "My truck is stuck." Maybe the sheep will help, do you suppose? This is the quiet as they think what to do. "Got it," croaks the frog. "Sheep can push too." This is the slurp and squelch and suck as a sheep steps slowly through the muck. This is the push of a sheep, a frog, and a duck. And this is the truck, still stuck. This is the happy, sleepy goat relaxing on a motorboat. He's just relaxing, and all of this is happening right there where he can see it. This is the ear that hears the shout. "My truck's stuck in the muck, and it won't come out." This is the rope, and here's the goat's plan. To tie a knot as tight as they can. Oh dear, I'm not so sure this is going to work either, are you? So they're tying a knot as tight as they can to the truck. This is the push at the rear once more. This is the pull of the boat leaving shore. Is it going to work? These are the wheels, finely gripping. This is the knot, suddenly slipping. And this says, twang. Uh-oh. And the goat is flying, isn't he? This is the truck with the wheels spinning fast. Back on the track, unstuck at last. And these guys over here are all in the mud, aren't they? Even the frog, the sheep, and the goat. And here he goes, the duck in the truck. He's unstuck at last. And away he goes. This is the duck driving home in the truck, leaving the frog, the sheep, and the goat. His license plate says Duck 1. But then here we have 3 little dots. Dot, dot, dot. That means there's more to come, right? That's not the end of the sentence. So here's the duck driving home in the truck, leaving the frog, sheep, and the goat. Dot, dot, dot. And where are they? Stuck in the muck. Oh, no. All 3 of them, the goat, the frog, and the sheep. And here goes Duck in his truck on his way. Boy, that wasn't very nice of him, was it? They stopped to help, and he just left them. Oh, my. Well, that's our story for today. And here we have the back cover of the book. Maybe they got out of the muck, do you suppose? Or perhaps we're supposed to look at this picture this way. And it shows all of the characters. You see the frog? Right there. And the sheep and the goat. Well, that's an interesting story with lots of rhyming words in it, for sure. And that's our story for today, everybody. Once again, it's a nice day out there. You better get outside, get some fresh air and some exercise, and have a good weekend. It's Father's Day weekend, so be sure and wish your father a happy Father's Day. And we will see you again on Monday at 11 o'clock for Grandma Diane's story time. Bye now. Have a good weekend.